The XP Pen Artist Pro 16 came out in 2021. That's a good 2.5 years on the market. It's consistently on sale, and it's basically the spiritual successor to the Artist 15.6 Pro. Due to it being on sale very often, I feel like this is a very relevant thing to talk about, even in 2023. So let's get to it. I bet you didn't expect to see me having so much trouble opening a box on an unboxing video, but here we are. Oh no, I took it away. The unboxing's canceled. No, I'm just trying to avoid this bar I have that's holding up my camera. Please don't mind it. And there we go, we are immediately greeted by the Artist 16 Pro. It feels very good. The weight, the build quality, it's honestly really nice. It's not too heavy, and it's not too light. Once you put your finger into the mystery hole and pull, you will be delighted to see what is behind curtain number 1. Yoink. I really don't understand why I can't open packages correctly on camera, but here it is for everybody to see. You get both a pen holder and a nib holder. You actually have 9 extra nibs in here, and you got the one that's already in the pen, so you got 10. I bet you didn't think there would be math on an unboxing video, but yeah, I guess that hardly constitutes as math. So surprisingly enough, the pen is actually very light. I didn't expect that, honestly. The X3 Elite Plus stylus has 2 buttons on the top, and you got an eraser on the back, and a surprising lack of a rubber grip. Maybe I'll get used to it. We'll find out in the full review. This pen is also capable of 60-degree tilt and 8,192 levels of pressure. And now we just have a wide array of different adapters. I honestly don't really need any of these, but for those that are interested in these, well, you got them. Cool. I don't know about all of you, but I am always excited to get yet another microfiber cloth to add to my cleaning arsenal. And of course, we have the legendary dithering glove. And here's the included stack of cash and gold included in every XP Pen purchase. No, just kidding though. So you basically have an HDMI that goes to a USB-C that connects into the drawing tablet, and then you have a data cable, the black USB-A, and then the red cable, which is the power. You also get a cool little extender for the any USB. I like that. I'm not actually this organized. It just looks like it. Don't fall for the trick. If you enjoy this kind of content from me, please throw me a like or maybe even a subscribe. If you dislike it though, please tell me how much you hate it. I do read all of the comments, and I try to take everything you say to heart, if it's a good opinion. And now for the final thing to unwrap. Here we go. Oh no, I took it away again. Listen, it's an unboxing, not an unplasticing, right? Right? Anyways, we have an active area of 15.4 inches diagonal. Other than having a great anti-glare coating on the screen, to the left, you got your 8 customizable keys and your dual dial. The dual dial, there's a physical, which is the silver, and there's a touch dial, which is the darker black one. You may be wondering how the screen looks with 94% NTSC, 99% Adobe RGB, and 133% sRGB, but you'll have to wait for my review for that one. Just as a disclosure, XP Pen did not provide me with the tablet, however, they were friendly enough to provide me with affiliate links. So those will be in the description, but honestly, wait for my review first, and then you can check it out later, but they're going to be down there anyway. Thank you. To be completely honest, I am pretty impressed with what I have here. For a 2021 device, with so many iterations that have come after this is really solid for the price. So I am very, very much looking forward to putting this thing to the test. Please look forward to the Artist Pro 16 Gen 1 review. I'll be doing that as soon as I can. First, I want to really, tear into it, see what makes it tick. I'm not gonna take it apart, I'm just gonna, daily drive it for a week or so. But that's about it for this one. So please look forward to that. Get subscribed if you're not subscribed. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.